What we love to see is when organisers have a consistent UTM tag strategy. And so that means that all inbound campaigns to our registration page really should have those UTM tags. And that means that you can then use that for attribution and to understand where your marketing is occurring and what is actually working. And for organisers and events, working doesn't just mean about what is actually causing ticket sales or registrations. It is also important to see how they're actually converting, especially in free events or free trade shows or free consumer events where tickets are selling and people are registering and buying their tickets, but you actually want them to turn up on site. So in terms of UTM tags and reviewing your campaigns and looking at your marketing activities, an important part of this is, of course, post-event analysis and understanding what campaigns worked, where your spend worked, where your efforts worked. And that is a really good part, and also what did not work. But that also is a bit reactive. That's great for next year's event. What we're actually finding is by having real-time access to this information, it's a huge benefit to the organizer and your marketing teams, because you've still got your marketing budget to spend, you've still got your targets to achieve. And so if you can see in real time what activities are converting, what activities are causing your sales, what activities are getting the right type of person buying tickets and registering your event, that becomes of huge benefit to your event and your marketing campaign. What we're finding with the organisers is that relevant information, that timely information, is just hugely valuable. It's not just about building an understanding of where your marketing spend is going and what is selling more tickets and what is converting better. It is also about understanding the needs and focus of your attendees. What is they interested in? What are they looking for? Because this can also formulate into your matchmaking, it can formulate into your recommendation engines, it can even formulate into what exhibitors should come to your show. If you know that there were 10% of attendees were clicking on ads related to battery products, you can use that when you're selling to exhibitors or sponsors asking them to come and be part of your event.